Hi guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys my everyday makeup look. Just to warn you though, this is very simple. I don't apply eyeshadow on a daily basis, so I'm just basically showing you guys what I do on my face on a regular basis. I obviously do not wear makeup every single day, but if I do wear makeup, this is what I do. Again, very simple. If you're interested to see how I did this right here, please keep on watching. Okay, so I will go ahead and start. I'm done with my skincare, so na-apply ko ng moisturizer ko, serum, and all that ish. Let me know if you guys want me to do an updated skincare routine video kasi yung mga ginagamit ko noon sobrang iba na sa ginagamit ko ngayon kasi nga hindi na ako oily. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to know my current skincare routine. But yeah, this is the current situation of my face right now. As you guys can see, ang dami kong scars from my pimples. Nung dumating ako dito, bigla na lang nagsulputan yung mga pimples, especially on my nose area, like these right here, mga scar na to. Usually yung mga pimple scars ko nawawala lang sila ng kanila, pero itong mga to, matagal na sila, mga ano na, buwan na ba to, nandito pa rin. Pero hinahayaan ko lang kasi nga nawawala lang naman. Ito nga lang mga to, sobrang tagal before nawala. Hindi ko alam kung mawawala pa sila or what. Sana mawala sila. Ito, scar na din siya. Pero yeah, ganyan yung sitwasyon ng aking face. Mga few days ago, nag-start na ako mag-apply ng BB cream kasi nga super uneven ang skin tone ko. Kung powder lang, hindi na kaya. Kailangan na talaga ng tulong ng BB cream. So, the BB cream that I have been using is the iWhite BB Holic. Sobrang ganda nitong BB cream na to. The most lightweight BB cream na I have tried ata so far. I use my mushroom brush to apply it. This mushroom brush is from Prettyangelshoppe. Pagkatapos ng BB cream, I then apply concealer. I have been using the Mary Kay concealer. I just apply it under my eyes and then sa mga scars ko din kasi as you guys can see, sobrang obvious naman ang scar na yan. Nakakaloka naman yan. Nilalagay ko siya under my eyes tapos doon sa mga merong scars and ito pimples. So yeah, I'm just gonna blend it. I have been using this brush right here. This is from Gearbest. Ito na yung lagi kong ginagamit for my concealer because it just works really good and it's really tiny as well. Like it really gets in there, you know what I mean? Some yawns. And then for the problem areas, I just use my fingers. So tinatap-tap ko lang siyang ganun para makover yung mga scars na yan. Nakakainis talaga yan. Kung mayroon kayong alam kung ano makakakuha ng mga scars na to, kasi naiinis na talaga ako sa kanila. Ang tagal na nila sa ilong ko. Parang dito na sila nakatira, nakakaloka. Let me know kung mayroon kayong alam na nakakakuha ng scar. Marami nagtatanong sa akin yan, hindi ko rin alam. Kung alam ko lang sana. To set my concealer, I use my Etude Oil Control and Oil-Free Face Powder. And I just use the puff that comes with this powder. And I just tap it on here. Ito na rin yung ginagamit ko para iset yung aking nose area. Tap-tap lang para hindi mawala yung concealer na nilagay natin kanina. And then for all over my face, this powder I featured on my May Favorites video. And marami nagtanong kung SG Authentic siya. No, hindi siya SG Authentic. This is authentic. Nabili ko pa to sa Brazil when I went. So this is the Medium Plus Mineralized Skin Finish in Natural. Oh, yung nilagay ko sa description box ng video ko, medium. Natural pala yung shade niya, pero medium plus. And then, as mentioned on my favorites video, itong brush na to ang lagi kong ginagamit for my powder. I like this powder because very lightweight lang siya. And as you guys can see, it gives that really nice, not like flat matte finish sa face. Meron siyang may pagka hindi siya completely matte, if you know what I mean. So, I'm pretty sure you know what I mean. That's what my face looks like right now. Nawala na yung mga demons dyan. After that, I proceed sa brows. And I have been using my BYS Brow Definition Kit. This shade right here. Yan. And then the brush is from the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Ito, replica to. I got this from makeuplaarni. Oh, by the way, everything will be listed down below. Tapos yung links din nila, ilalagay ko below. Meron akong eyebrow routine video. Actually, dalawang eyebrow routine na yung na-upload ko. It's basically the same technique, kaya lang ibang brush yung ginagamit ko. So as you guys notice, I start from the arch to the tip, tapos from this part right here to the arch. Tapos after nyan, ginagawa ko yung kabilang kilay. After kong gawin to dito, I proceed to the inner corner para like walang masyadong product sa brush kapag nasa inner corner na ako. You know what I mean? So that's what I do all the time. Of course, my kilay is gonna look chaka again because I'm filming it. Oh gosh. This one looks really chaka. Now, what's ever left on the brush, hindi na ako babalik. Kung babalik man ako dun sa eyebrow powder, as in super lightly dab lang the brush on the powder. Pero what's ever left on the brush, I just use to fill in the inner corner of my brows para hindi siya like, you know, super dark tingnan sa inner corner. After the brows, I then go ahead and apply mascara. So, usually hindi ako nag-apply ng mascara. Pero these past few days, nag-apply na ako ng mascara because I have this mascara right here that I really like. For the eyelash curler, I will be using my one and only eyelash curler. I've had this for I do not know how many years now. This is really good and hanggang ngayon okay na okay pa rin siya. This one is from Etude house. It just looks like this, very simple, like pastel pink. I will just go ahead and curl my lashes. The mascara that I have been loving lately, you guys, is the Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal Mascara. Binigay sa akin to ni Kathy. And yeah, sobrang nagugustuhan ko tong mascara na to. I love the formula. It really gives volume and length to my lashes, which I like because as you guys can see, look at my eyelashes. Parang wala lang. Parang invisible lang yung eyelashes ko. But with this, it gives it life. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm really loving this mascara. I'm so happy na Kathy gave this to me kasi I'm the kind of person na kung mayroon ako magustuhan na mascara, I just stick to it. Pinaka-paborito ko mascara from Maybelline is the Falsies mascara and I have been repurchasing that kasi nga gustong-gusto ko siya. I don't really like venture out and try different mascaras because I don't want to spend money on something that I'm not sure if it's gonna work or not. So this one, kung hindi niya binigay sa akin to, hindi ko siya matatry. So thank you, Kathy, for giving this to me. That's one layer of the mascara. On the lower lashes, I use a different one. I use a mascara na merong maliit na wand. So I have been using the Aido mascara. Ganito lang yung wand niya, super liit. So napaka-convenient niya for lower lashes. And then after the lower lashes, I go back to the Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal Mascara and apply second coat on my upper lashes. This is good enough actually. Pero I'm just used to applying 2 layers of mascara sa eyelashes ko. Lagi na talaga ako nag-a-apply ng 2 layers. But then again, with this mascara, 1 layer is good enough. Pero kapag 2 layers na, bongga. Look at that. I so love this. That's pretty much it for the eyes. I don't really apply eyeshadow, so that's basically it. Sa blush naman tayo, I will be using my BYS Contour Trio. I will be using the blush. I will be using this brush. This is the MAC 187 SE brush. Ito, hindi totoong MAC to. Replica lang to. And I also do not apply bronzer or highlighter. Like, ito lang talaga yung ginagawa ko sa face ko. So, lastly is going to be the lips. And as I mentioned on my May favorites video, I've been into lip liners lately. This one is one of my favorites. Hindi ko siya na-feature sa May kasi I have been using this end of May na. So, this one is the Essence Lip Liner in the shade Soft Berry. Kailangan ko siyang i-sharpen. Where's my sharpen? Where is my sharpener? Ito lang yung downside ng lip liners eh. Kailangan mo siyang i-sharpen all the freaking time. You guys, I am in love with this shade. Yes, kahit na sobrang simple lang ng makeup look mo, if you apply this lip liner, parang you put some effort onto your face kahit hindi naman ganun kalaki yung effort. And that's basically it for my everyday makeup look. Obviously, hindi ito yung ginagamit ko every single day. Pero yeah, you get the point. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like this video if you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye!